Alright, my loves, we are back with another tutorial, and I am just going to go ahead and start out with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And to prime my eyes, I'm using the P. Louise base, as usual. And I'm going in with the James Charles X Morphe palette, and just going ahead and blending the pink and light purple and dark purple shade. I will have the shades that I use on the screen. And I'm cutting my crease with that same P. Louise base and just taking my time, making sure it's all precise and nice and blended. Now I'm taking the Artist Couture Jackie Aina Diamond Glow Powder and putting that as a base for my next color, which is the P. Louise Gold Digger pigment, and I'm just placing that on top. I had to put it in slow-mo because it is just too beautiful to go so quick. I'm in love with this pigment. And then we're going back with that dark purple shade and just blending in that half cut crease. So I'm taking the new P. Louise Basic Brights and Pastel primers, I guess. And we're just gonna go ahead and start this ombre wing. I'm going ahead and packing on the blue shade in the James Charles palette over that last dark blue P. Louise primer, just to make sure it's all set in place. And after that, we are going to go ahead and clean up that wing with some concealer just to make sure it's really, really sharp, because we don't like dull wings here. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone and then bronze up my face, because nobody can live without bronzer. And then taking a short break to take a drink of my Red Bull. Not sponsored, but I wish it was. We're going in with the Fenty Fussy Gloss. So that is the end of this tutorial, you guys, and I hope you guys love it. If you want to see more short, quick tutorials like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you want to see in the comments. Go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel, and I love you all so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.